Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade the best performing cryptocurrency pairs on the Binance exchange. In fact, if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term, you've got to stop holding cryptocurrencies that's already dumping by 5% below your entry price. The best part, sell them at a loss to preserve your trading capital for trading the best performing cryptocurrency pairs on the exchanges. And next up, before we get started, I want you to know that the candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair, it's divided into bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections of the cryptocurrency price action. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. With that out of the way, the best performing cryptocurrency pair on the list is the MAGIC USDT cryptocurrency pair. And the most current bullish trend section of the MAGIC USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And to identify the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, you have to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter is exactly at $1.0839. And then use the yellow horizontal line to indicate the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of the MAGIC USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 33.72% and then dipped back down to 6.39%. And finally, it bounced up by 60.37% to complete its standard cycle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $1.7384, as you can see right here. So, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the MAGIC USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 60.37% over the course of 3 days, 16 hours. So if you were to trade this particular cryptocurrency pair like everyone did in our crypto trading community, your entry price will be constantly at the 15% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the blue horizontal line to indicate your entry price, which is $1.2471. And your stop loss price will be constantly at the 9% of the most current bullish trend section. And then use the red horizontal line to indicate your stop loss price, which is $1.1817. The question is, how much money can you potentially lose or make as profit from participating on this particular trade? For example, in this crypto trading tutorial, let's say you staked $100 worth of trading capital to participate on this live trade. So with $100, you can buy approximately 80 pieces of the magic asset. But if you sell your entire magic portfolio at the stop loss price, your trading capital will be reduced to the stop loss price multiplied by the quantity of magic purchased, which will be equal to amount realized after loss, which is $1.1817 multiplied by 80, which gives you $94.536. Trading commissions buy and sell approximately $1. Net loss will be $94,536 minus $1, which is the trading commissions for buying and selling the asset. Net loss will be $93,536. Finally, total loss will be $100 minus $93,536, which will be equal to $6,464. So on this particular trade, you can only lose a total sum of $6,464. And next up, let's calculate the profit potentials of participating on this magic life trade. The highest price of the bullish trend is $1,7382. But let's say you sold your entire magic portfolio at $1,7300 using the trailing take profit order form. So your potential profit equal to the quantity multiplied by the take profit price, which is 80 multiplied by $1,7300 equal to $138.4. Gross profit will be $138.4 minus $100, which gives you $38.4. Trading commissions, which means buy and sell order, will be approximately $1. So net profit will be $138.4 minus $101, which gives you $37.4. So your net profit is exactly $37.4, which is an awesome profit already. With just $100 investment, you're making $37.4. That's an amazing profit already. And if you staked $1,000, you will be making $374. Awesome profit. So it actually depends on how much you put into the trade, and that gives you how much profits you make in the market. Literally, this is an awesome way to make profits in the cryptocurrency market. Trading with $100 and then you're making $37.4, which is over 40% profit on this particular trade. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Awesome. So traders, you have absolutely no reason now to make money in the cryptocurrency markets, because the market is on fire and there's so much opportunity in the market. As I speak with you right now, the opportunities are endless and there is a lot of opportunity for you to make money in the market. So if you were not making money in the market, that means you don't have a good trading strategy, because I can literally show you right now there's so much opportunity to make money in the market. For example, this particular magic USDT cryptocurrency pair has been performing really well over the course of 2 weeks right now, and you can literally see on the charts right now how this particular cryptocurrency pair has been performing, and it's been really amazing. Coin, like I told you before, candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair, it's divided into bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections. So if you look at this particular bullish trend section, you can see this particular bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 108%. So with $100, you can literally double your money on this particular bullish trend section.